Hello, friends, and welcome back. One batch, two batch rips, brand new 2026 Upper Deck DC Annual. 5 cards per pack, 16 packs per box, 2 batches of 8 coming your way.
Batch 1, pack 1. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. Okay. We have Airwave, Wonder Woman, Black Lightning. That's cool. And then we have Depth Charge.
Oh.
That's cool, I guess. And then we have Robin. Huh. Okay. Good start, I guess. Arrowette. Ooh. Wonder Woman.
That's cool.
That is cool. 37 of 499. Lex Luthor.
Okay.
Not bad, not bad. We have Cyborg. And Bizarro 2.
Huh.
Interesting.
Is that $4.99 on the?
Yeah.
I guess at least it's Lex Luthor.
Right? Could be some other rando. We have Dr. Fate. Beast Boy. We have Zeus.
Shazam
Interesting.
card. That's cool. Oh.
And then we have Dreamer. Like a canvas, I guess. Then we have Arsenal. That's it. Next pack. We got a lot of inserts and stuff in here. Alrighty.
That's cool.
That is cool. We have Green Lantern. We have Poison Ivy. It's a cool Poison Ivy card.
Yeah.
We have Nightwing.
Oh, that's
That
sweet.
card is awesome.
That might be my
Oh,
favorite
wow.
one so far. Oh,
Number 1 spot, we have Batman Dark Age.
That's different than the other one? It's like shiny?
Yeah.
You got a number on it?
195 of 199.
Okay.
You know what? We can put that right there on top of that
Nice.
one. And then we have Green Lantern. And Green Lantern. That is really cool.
That's a cool Batman card.
Right?
I like that Nightwing card too.
I love that Nightwing card. We have Detective Chimp.
Pass.
Yeah. We have Batgirl.
That's cool. That's cool.
Paradise Lost.
No idea who that is.
No idea. No. We have the Penguin.
Sweet.
That's a cool Penguin card.
Gotta fly.
It's actually like super cool. We have Swamp Thing.
Nice. I don't see many Swamp Thing cards.
Right?
It's cool.
Next pack. Dr. Midnight. We have Hourman. Ooh, Batgirl.
Interesting.
The like Nightwing.
That's cool.
That's sick. We have Power Girl. We have Lightning.
Huh.
Back to Dr. Midnight. Interesting. Second to last pack.
Pretty good mix so far of obscure versus like well-known characters.
We have Fire and Ice. Lex Luthor.
Ooh,
Red Hood, the
nice.
Hill. That is
Look at
really
that.
cool.
Sweet.
We have Teen Lantern.
Okay.
Lord Zod.
Nah.
Yeah, that's a nah for me, dude.
Yeah. Interesting pack. That Nightwing card is sweet though.
Right? Last pack of batch 1. We have Satana.
I feel like she was in the last series that we got of these cards. Of like, not this particular one because they're brand new, but
We have Batgirl. Whoa. Darkseid.
nice.
I think he's just cool. I don't think he has a number. No.
No number on him?
No number, but he's cool looking.
He's cool.
Psycho Pirate. And Metamorpho.
Cool.
That's pretty cool. I like these. They're not bad. And that is batch 1.
Alright, here we go with batch 2. There's the best of batch 1. I included the Penguin card because I think that Penguin card is sick. Pack number 1. Orion. Star Rookies. Die.
Die.
Yeah, as in like dice. Ooh, look at this Riddler card.
Just a friend. But you can call me the Riddler.
Oh, this is sick.
Cool Riddler card with a silver sparkle. And then we got Trigon. We're gonna end with Sinestro. That's cool. Sinestro in the Green Lantern outfit, not in the yellow. The Question as a female.
Oh.
Punchline. Oh, Batman on the Nightwing card.
Bro.
Nice.
I think the Nightwings are the best ones.
Oh, Flash.
My God.
Run, Barry. Run.
Flash, Barry Allen on the variant cover card.
That's cool.
That's a cool card right there. Mr. Miracle. Not as cool.
No.
Flash card sweet. Batman aura.
Speaking of aura, look out for those. We got more aura
There's more
Cards.
DC auras. Yep.
to come.
Got something shiny in here.
Ooh.
We got Killer Croc. Can't go wrong
Yeah.
there. DC All In Special number 1. That's cool. We'll skip that one. Commander Star. Another Green Lantern.
That's a cool.
Apparently they got all the Green Lanterns in this set. I like the Killer Croc card actually. That's pretty sick. Alright. We got a special silver card here. And it is Wonder Woman.
This looks like the, I think they're like the stickers from
Yeah,
the
it's a sticker.
Batman set.
Yep. Peel back and apply to dry surface. Backscatters Wonder Woman on the sticker. That's pretty sick, actually. You could do a lot worse than Wonder Woman.
Right?
so far, it's been a pretty decent box. There's another Batman right there. You know, Batman's my dude. Aquaman, number 1. On the number 1 spots. We got Lobo on the Silver Sparkle. We got Mr. Terrific. And we got a sweet looking Black Lightning. Oh, that's a really cool card.
That is cool.
Black Lightning. Can't go wrong with Batman. So far, it's been a good box. I'm satisfied with it. As far as the characters are concerned, we're not getting obscure people that nobody would want. We're getting some obscure people, but there's a good mix. And the cards that are inserts have all been good characters, not the obscure people. We got Big Barda. We've got Shazam. Georgia Savannah on the Shazam insert.
Interesting.
Oh, and we got an autograph.
What?
Creator's Corner. Kelly Thompson. Birds of Prey.
You're gonna be just fine.
Autograph.
Wow.
Sweet. Of course, we will take the autograph. Thank you so much. Look at that.
That's cool.
Cool card. We got the Atom. And we got Jade. Wow. Autograph card out of here. I've heard of 2 other boxes of these being opened. And in those 2 boxes, all that was in there was 3 numbered cards. So to get an autograph, pretty sweet. Excited about that.
Crazy.
Definitely not something in every box. We got Lady Shiva. Star Rookies. Vanadia. No idea who that is. Oh, look at
My
that.
God.
We got the Joker
Wait till they get a load of me.
on the Silver Sparkle. What a sweet card. Look at that card. Oh, it's an amazing Joker card. Amazing Joker card.
Artwork. Chosen well.
Sweet. Wow. We got Green Lantern. Superwoman. A lot of Green Lanterns. Man. But Lobo, Joker, Darkseid, like, we got some great Silver Sparkle cards for sure. Hey, look at that. Green Lantern. Shazam.
What in the world is that?
That right there is Talkie Tawny.
You can put that right into the Hall of Fame.
I am not familiar with Shazam, so I can't pretend like I know who that is. Oh, we got another depth charge, which is weird though because the other one was level 1. This one actually says level 2 on it. It is a little different. We'll pull the other one out to show the difference between the level 1 and the level 2. Oh, look at that Doomsday card. That's sick. The Doomsday card is sick.
That is sick. Oh my gosh.
We got Captain Atom. So here's the level 1. So it's like a zoomed in version. Level 1, level 2.
Interesting.
Level 2 is not numbered. But to get the same character, it's kind of crazy in the same box. And we got one last pack here. We're starting with Supergirl. Don't know if y'all are excited for the movie or not. We're kind of lukewarm on it. We got Sin. We got Wonder Woman. It's a sweet card. Wonder Woman 1. Sweet card.
It's really cool.
We got Brainiac on the variant, and that's a sweet card
wow.
too. Look at that Brainiac. All right, I'm gonna be honest. I'm liking these. We got Highfather, but all in all, wow, great cards. Batch 2 very happy with that Joker. The Lobo's cool. The Riddler's cool. I mean, all three of the Silver Sparkle cards were great. Definitely like the Brainiac and the Flash. Autograph, can't go wrong there. So, all in all, this was a really good box. Very happy with it. DC 2026 annual. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Hopefully you liked the cards as much as I did. The artwork on these cards is great. So maybe another box coming in the future. We shall see. But thanks again for watching. Goodbye, friends.